Gotta keep it fresh. I do realize I'm not doing like the nitty gritty, this is how you tighten the bolt, because that's not what this video is. This is a video of how Dan just gets down in between nap times with Claire. Hope you're enjoying. She's in. All right. This is where it's gonna get sketchy. Oh yeah. Is that gonna work? Let's take bets. So, John Committed did this really gangster exhaust. 2.5 inch here into a dual inlet muffler to a 3-inch out, to 3-inch all the way out to another 3-inch muffler. And it's all really nice stainless. So my issue is I now have a 2.75 inch V-band on each side, and this 2-bolt flange will not fit to that. And I have like the little pipe, see it all the way over there? So I'm gonna connect those to this. So I need to cut these. Yo, I am a believer. I try to make it as even as possible, so I'll have to maybe do that one a little bit flatter. But damn, I am pumped on this little thing. Nice stainless, had no issues. Maybe this helps keep it cool so it doesn't fly apart. Anyways, this is my bench. I just jammed it up against the car. It was pretty solid. Fudge, now I have to refit it. Oh, this is lame. So use a grinder wheel to make it perfect. And that's pretty rad. So, I need to be. Yo, pie cuts will be the death of me. I'm gonna start working on this again. I haven't worked on it in a while. It's gotten hot out. I have to go back to work soon. And I failed miserably at modding my exhaust that was on it to work with the orientation of where this exhaust is. So I'll sublet that part, but I think just so it looks like I do something, I'm gonna put the core support back in with the radiator, hook up the new rad hoses. I'll have to find a bung for that because I don't have a temperature sensor. So maybe I'll just rotate that down and find a bung. So I'm back to wrenching on it. I'm gonna hate the wiring. Oh my gosh, it's almost done. Just kidding. This is on, fits the same. The oil cooler lines are a little bit different because the engine's farther back, which I'm sure I've said 100 times, which I don't know how they did that, but I had the more so clearance right here because this is like a bit more pinched up. But it's still installed the same. I actually before had to go through the GK Tech sway bar because of where it was, you know, you can see that split. It actually needed to go through. So that's kind of cool. I did a little bit of rubbery, you know, shielding on this right there. And since I have this parts engine now, I don't know if I've revealed that to you yet. Just for craps, I wanted to see if the heat shields work, and they freaking do. So I'm actually really pumped to have the HR manifolds and the factory shields on top, so it keeps all that heat into them and out. And go away, heat. We don't want you rising up. And look, now I could pass Club Boost Tech because I have a factory heat shield. Oh, it's awesome. And it's cool seeing comparison of like, this car doesn't have heater lines, and neither did this engine. So almost like some of the stuff on my old setup. So this did have another pipe that ran across. See here? It was 2. So it's actually really cool how it's deleted. And like looking at the back of this is just a mess. Oh, mine didn't look anything like that. Come on, focus. Wow. This is a Turk spec. This is OCD Works cylinder head. Just kidding, it's stock as fuck. But she cleaned out. Yo, I used some like, it was actually tire cleaner, not wheel cleaner. And this thing looks freaking brand new now. I think I've got to do the rest of it. That's incredible. John made this super sweet fuse box. I've talked about it before. I didn't have it grounded. So that's why my switches weren't even coming on. That one's in. This one, everything's down. I should have ignition. Turns out the starter works real good. Holy shit. Okay, we're on. HR swap. Oh shit, I left the key on. So, George from Hexa helped me button up what I needed to know to get it started. Insert video. But now I'm floating the ECU here again like it was with the old setup, and then routing everything, and we'll tie up this, I'll call it the whale dick, so it's out of the way. Sweet. September 23rd. All the wiring is done. It works. I'm always wearing flip-flops, if you wonder what that noise is. This is in, there's no leaks, the rack is rebuilt. Whew. This thing is rowdy. I cannot wait. It is October 3rd, and I get to drive my car today.